Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will personally reply to your comment. Thank you. Comment to start.
With your eyes closed, being alert and awake, bring your attention to your breathing and to the movement of the breath as it comes in and out of your body. Simply observe your breathing, watching the path it takes as it travels in at the nose, down the abdomen, and then out again through the nose. Staying focused on the breath without forcing it in any way. Being here with each in-breath and with each out-breath, letting one follow on from the other. Use your breath as an anchor. Allow the breath to anchor you to the center within your abdomen, that part that is stable, focused, and present. Follow the breath to your anchor, bringing with it a new beginning. And with each out-breath, a letting go. Be aware of each breath nourishing and grounding you, renewing and letting go, one breath following the other. Allow it to bring with it a stillness and a feeling of balance, grounding you right here, right now. Letting it anchor you, gently and kindly, to this moment and to this moment. As the intensity begins to ease, let your attention spread to include all of your body and engage your breath in a rhythmic flow that moves in and out of your body as a whole. Gradually let your awareness begin to take in the sounds around you and within you, simply letting them exist in harmony with you as you breathe. Sitting in stillness, in this moment. Feeling grounded, feeling balanced. Gently allow all of your senses to be awake, to be alert and alive to all that is happening within you and around you. Acknowledge with kindness that you've spent this time living each moment of your life, with whatever came with it, in a mindful, balanced and open way, and that you now have the choice of how you wish to live this moment of your life. And this moment.